Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my dear friends. In this video, we will talk about Veeam replication and failover. Veeam replication is one of the important part of Veeam backup, and what we do in Veeam replication is this is our backup server, and this is our source host ESXi1, and it is ESXi host 2. This is a VMware host 1 and VMware host 2. So on this particular host, if there are virtual machine running, virtual machine 1, virtual machine 2, 3 and 4, and in some cases there is a hardware maintenance, or there is a hardware failure, or it could be another failure. So what happened is all the VM I wanted, I should have a replications to another server 1, 2, 3, 4. So later on I can create a failover that in some cases if this host won't work, user can remain connected to those virtual machine with the help of replication. They will automatically connect to those virtual machine through other servers. So Veeam backup and replication, first of all, you need to have a replication. After the replication, you can create failover. And after failover, you bring this machine back. Okay. So what happen is by default, these machines are active, but you bring this server back. You can cancel this failover. So this machine will be go offline again, and machine from the server one will be active. And there is a permanent failover is there, like okay, you remove those machine from host A to host B, so make them active all the time and remove this. So it's a permanent failover is there. So requirement for this is we need a Veeam backup server is there. Secondly, you need ESXi host 1 and ESXi host 2. That's it. So let us learn in the next video how we can set up Veeam replication and then a failover to it. Thank you very much.